back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, that's Joe, behind the camera is Jay. Today we're doing another M135i. What's quite interesting about this one has the 18-inch wheels and we are going to be upgrading to the Bola wheels. There's a lot of controversy, can you change them, can you not? When you spec these from the dealer, it's basically like an option. When you want adaptive suspension, the only option they give you is an 18-inch wheel. The 19s can fit. It's pretty simple. When you go through the menu, basically it gives you the option of summer tyres, winter tyres, 18, 19-inch. Select 19-inch, put the wheels on, go for a drive, let the tyres recalibrate. Jobs are good. So this car is in for everything. All the gloss black pack, the Maxton, the Remus, it'll be the sports exhaust system, the chrome tailpipes, diffuser, power riser. Anyway, just keep watching the vlog and let us know what you think of this one. Cheers. Right, welcome back. As you can see, you've probably seen a bit of B-roll footage of this car already. These are looking great. We've started to get a lot of these come through the door now. Not only just for Maxton kits or springs or exhaust, but full complete conversion like this one here. So this one start to finish was drove in a standard car on the 18-inch wheels. It's now leaving us on the Bola 19-inch wheels. You can easily upgrade it, go to the menu where it says 18-inch, select 19-inch, fits at 19s, off you go. There's a lot of conversation on the forums about can that be done? Yes. So front to back, gloss black grills, canards, BMW Parts only, bumper off. It's not a cheap job to get done. Maxton fronts, are we walking, Jay? We're walking. Okay, Maxton front, front splitter, remove the old one, put the deep one in place. This is running the 25 and 25mm spring kit, no spacers. Running the Bola wheels, Michelin Pilot 4S tyres, black bolts to line it all up. As this is not actually a Motech edition car, because they are through Uncle Tony, so it's not actually numbered, although we do plaque them still as Motech, hence why it's got the M's on the wheels, M's on the side wings as well. Gloss black mirrors, gloss black sides as well, the Maxton kit running through with the spoiler, diffuser, gone for the chrome tailpipes on the sports rear box. This is the customer's family car, so he didn't want anything too obtrusive. Also, we did fit a power riser. He come from faster cars and wanted something a bit more get up and go. So the power riser on these, 340, 345 horsepower, just literally give you that bit more thump that the car needs as well. So that along with the Pipercross panel filter, Remus exhaust, should be quite a quick little car. And one thing I will just point out is, if we have a quick look inside, red leather, what a hero. So on that note, please let us know what you think of this lovely M135. Thanks a lot.